Good morning, students. I Ditya from Vidya Mandir Sitamarhi. Today I am going to attend class 9 of physics. Class 9 of physics. And topic is numericals based on force and laws of motion. इसका मैं क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को भेज चुका हूँ, बट अब इसका वीडियो बना करके अपलोड कर देता हूँ कि आप लोग को समझने में और आसानी हो। तो देखिएगा, फर्स्ट नंबर क्वेश्चन था, मैं इसको पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ। लिसन केयरफुली। What is the acceleration produced by a force of a 12 N exerted on an object of mass 3 kg? I repeat it again. What is the acceleration produced? What is the acceleration produced in this question? We have to find the value of A. A is equal to what? First of all, after that the given terms are force is equal to 12 here, and exerted on an object of mass 3 kg. Mass is equal to 3 kg. M is equal to 3 kg here. Now we have to find the value of A. Now you have to see here, A is equal to what? A is equal to 12 N and M is equal to 3 kg. We use the formula F is equal to MA. We know that from the second law of motion, F is equal to MA. F is equal to 12 N is equal to 3 into 3 kg into A. 3 kg into A. After that, A is equal to 12 N upon 3 kg. 4 times में 12 क्या हो गया? कट हो गया. Now this is the 4 N per kg. This is the not unit of acceleration. Here we are finding the value of A. So we put here the SI unit of A acceleration. So this answer is 4 meter per second square. Okay. After that, the second question is, what force would be needed? What force would be needed to produce an acceleration of 4 meter per second square on a ball of mass 6 kg? Second question, what force would be needed? What force would be needed? Then we have to find here the value of force. F is equal to what? After that, the given terms are acceleration. Acceleration A is equal to 4 meter per second square and mass M is equal to 6 kg. Here M is equal to 6 kg. Now you can see here F is equal to what? A is equal to 4 meter per second square and M is equal to 6 kg. After that, we have to find the value of A. We know that from the second law of motion, F is equal to M into A. F is equal to M 6 kg into 4 meter per second square. Here 4, 6 4 ja 24 and the SI unit of F is equal to N, 24 N. This is the answer. Question number 3. An object undergoes an acceleration of 8 meter per second square. Now, unit meter per second square is acceleration. So, acceleration is given in this question number 3. Question number 3. we see here question number 3. Question number 3, an object undergoes an acceleration of 8 meter per second square. A is equal to 8 meter per second square. After that, starting from rest, then u is given 0 meter per second, because in this question the object is starting from rest, so u is equal to 0. Find the distance traveled in 1 second. Find the distance traveled in 1 second. Here time is given 1 second. 1 second. Okay. After that, 1 second, an object undergoes an acceleration of 8 meter per second square starting from rest. Find the distance traveled in 1 second. We use here s is equal to ut. S refers to distance, so s is equal to, we know that ut plus half at square. Okay. After that, this term becomes 0, because u is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. Then we multiply it both, then its resultant is 0 and plus half at square. A, it means 8 meter per second square into 1 square. Okay, 1 second square. Okay. After that, 2 4 ja 8 is equal to, s is the unit of, s refers here distance and the unit of distance is meter, so the answer is 4 meter. Okay. After that, question number 4, a truck starts from rest. Here we see a truck starts from rest. Question number 4, rest, then u is equal to 0 meter per second. After that, and rolls down a hill with constant acceleration. It travels a distance of 400 meter in 20 seconds. Distance, it means s is given here. S 400 meter. After that, 20 second, t is equal to 20 second here given. T is equal to 20 second. Find the acceleration and force acting on its mass is 7 metric ton. Force, mass is equal to m is equal to 7 metric ton. TONNES tons. We know that 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kg. Now 7 metric ton is equal to 7000 kg. Here m is equal to 7000 kg. Okay. After that, find the acceleration. Now s बराबर ut plus half at square. We have to use here s is equal to ut plus half at square, and force acting on the body, so we have to use here F is equal to ma. S is equal to ut plus half at square. A is not given here, so you can find the value of a by this formula. After that, F is equal to ma. M is given here, and a from here you can multiply and find your answer. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 5. A motorcycle accelerates uniformly from 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second. 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second. Now 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second. Here v is equal to 20 meter per second and u is equal to 10 meter per second. Yes. After that, calculate its acceleration and distance covered. Now we have to find the value of A. We can use here A is equal to V minus U upon T from the first equation of motion, and to calculate the distance we can use here S is equal to UT plus half AT square. From where we get the value of A, and V and U here given. V and U. Find the value of V minus U बट्टा U upon T. Now 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10. You can find the value of A by this formula. I repeat it again. A motorcycle accelerates uniformly from 10 meters second to 20 meters second in 12 seconds. Now T is equal to given here 12 seconds. Okay. Now T is equal to here 12 seconds. V minus U upon T, and S is equal to UT plus half AT square. The value of A you can get from here. Okay. After that, question number 5, 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. Here is a graph. This type of graph. Here 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This side refers to time and this side refers to velocity. You know, after that, in this question, a truck accelerates at a constant rate of change of velocity in 5 seconds. Velocity change होता है 5 seconds. After that, we see here the time is given 5 seconds. T is equal to 5 seconds. Okay, given. After that, the rate of change of velocity in 5 seconds from 10 meter per second to 25 meter per second. U is equal to 10 meter per second and V is equal to 25 meter per second. Okay. On a highway, what is the acceleration and how far does the truck go in this interval of the time? Give a graphical solution. यहाँ पर से ग्राफिकल सॉल्यूशन देना है. ट्रक यहाँ से चलना शुरू किया है ना. द ट्रक स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट 10 मीटर पर सेकंड यहाँ से ट्रक चलना शुरू किया और यहाँ पर आकर के स्टॉप किया. 10 मीटर प्रति सेकंड से उसका वेलोसिटी जो हो जाता है 25 मीटर पर सेकंड हो जाता है. नाउ we find here V minus U upon T. After that, T, U and V is given. Find A and S. We can use here. What is the acceleration A? A is equal to V minus U upon T, and how far? It means distance. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Okay, you can solve the questions so easy. And now on tomorrow or next day, I will send you this type of question you have to solve. Okay, next meeting on tomorrow in same class and same time. Thank you and have a nice day on today. Okay.